discovering the magic of Christmas and winter season. As the frost touches the ground, the charm of the winter season unveils itself. The world turns into a white, magical wonderland. Every street light glistens, reflecting on the snow. Homes are alive with the glow of Christmas decorations, sparkling like stars in the night. The sound of laughter and cheer echoes as families gather to celebrate. The air is filled with love, warmth, and the scent of cinnamon. Outside, children sculpt snowmen, their joy untouched by the cold. The winter air carries their giggles and the jingle of sleigh bells. Inside, the fireplace crackles, casting dancing shadows on the walls. Stockings hang, filled with small treasures and the promise of Santa's visit. Families huddle together, sharing stories and sipping on hot cocoa. The Christmas tree twinkles, illuminating the room with a comforting, soft glow. In the heart of winter, Christmas brings us together. This is the magic of the season, a time of love, joy, and togetherness.